Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Alright, so we're gonna get ready to ship this little baby out right here. And first I wanted to share with you all how I usually try to decorate my my envelope. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out which way I'm going to load my binder. So it might be going this way. Yeah, because if I go this way, this will go, yeah, I'm gonna load it this way. And the reason I did that was because I'm going to stamp onto my envelope. Okay, all right, let's go with this guy, and this one. All right, that's it for now. Get my blocks out. A tiny one out. This block I got from Dollar Tree, and it doesn't really matter which way we put it, but it's just silly like that. All right, let's see what this baby does. I'm using the Candy Shop Pink that I got from scrapbook.com. Let's see if it works, because I don't remember if it stamps good or not. It's cool. Good enough. Yeah. Let's stamp one right here. Okay. I'm gonna grab my, whoops, sorry. Ay. Okay. Get my baby wipes out. And just go ahead and wipe this off. Okay. Let's try the heart. Oh, that's cute. Just a little bit, right? It's not perfect because it's got bubble wrap underneath there, so just get a little bit of the paper comes back up at you, you know, so it doesn't bother me. If it bothers you, don't worry, don't stress over it. Okay, I just go for it. There you go. Just put the heart down here. All right, and now on the back, I'm just gonna stamp a bunch of hearts. Okay, it's getting sloppy, Eileen. That's okay. Everybody do your own thing. Viewer discretion advised, okay? I'm not an expert for anyone. All right, so that is it. I'm just gonna leave it at that. And maybe I'll stamp this one more time. Okay, just clean up the edge. Wait, which way is the right one? I've done this so many times I've put it upside down. That's okay. There you go. Good enough. And that will be it for my stamping for right now. Okay, so we're gonna take our little binder and we're gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up. I'm just grabbing my tissue paper. This one. Okay. This one I'm not going to put any kind of closure on it. I mean, you can if you want to, but I see it as a working binder. I'm going to put that right there so yeah, I'm not going to put a closure. And it's too easy. You could put a closure on there if you wanted to, you know. And that is it. I've got my tape here. And okay. Nothing too fancy, but it is showing, you know, that you want to show some love. Make sure the top is the top. And I'm going to add my bow. That's also why I didn't want to put a closure. So I'm just going to add this ribbon. on the outside, and then my recipient can get, you know, she can do what she wants with the ribbon. It's really pretty, pretty ribbon. And I'm just gonna tie a bow. That's all. And then and in some oh, come on. Just fixing a bow. Fuss with the bow. There we go. What in the world? You can fuss with your bows all day long. At least I know I can. And it won't even matter because this is going to go right in the middle into the envelope. Oh, wrong way. I knew it as soon as I did it. There we go. Alright, okay. Perfectly not perfect. Alright. One thing I do like is even tails. So we're going to trim that a little bit. There we go. Much better. Now that's cute. Alright. So now I'm going to place this into my envelope. Isn't that cute? So, okay, I had to take a quick picture. And I'm going to place this in here. Oof. Yeah. Okay. And gently, gently. There we go. Just like that. Perfect. And I'm going to put 2 of these little chocolates in here also, but I wanted to look up real quick. Out of the way. Just really simple, easy. Just like that. And then I'm gonna stick where's my hearts? Let me put a heart on it. Too hard there. Too hard and too long, and this thing is taking forever. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. And you know, to put that on there, I mean to pull that off of there. Stick this into the envelope. And I just want to put it right on the top there. Alright, just like that. And this binder is full of goodies, but I want to throw in some touches of love, like some of my confetti hearts, right? And some Dollar Tree love hearts. Whoop. Some of the candies in there. And I think that is ready to go. Oh, look at that. And so now I'm just going to practice folding. Let's encourage the envelope to fold without tearing it. There we go. See? Just like that. And then I'm gonna take off the tape. And it's done. Done, and done. It's ready to go. Look at that. So cute. And it's perfect. All right. And thank you all for joining me, and I'll see you all on the next video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, join our family, hit the bell for notifications please, and we can get chatting on our next video. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.